Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. So today I want to talk about something that's crucial for maintaining quality and efficiency on the production floor, and that's clear and effective work instructions. Work instructions really are essential. They give operators detailed guidelines to follow, that reduces errors, it enhances safety, and it keeps production output consistent. And as our manufacturing processes get more complex, using advanced tools like digital manufacturing systems can really improve how we create and manage those instructions. But first off, let's dive into some of the best practices for developing manufacturing work instructions to not only streamline your operations, but also boost traceability and compliance. First, be clear and concise. If you write your instructions in simple to understand language and you avoid jargon and technical terms, you're much less likely to confuse workers. And then by using images, diagrams, and videos to visually show the steps and processes, sometimes visuals can just explain complex information much better than words. Then you can break tasks down into clear sequential steps. By numbering the steps and using bullet points, you're making the instructions easy to follow at a glance when a worker is trying to get on with their task quickly. And then secondly, you can leverage digital tools for efficiency and accuracy. If you implement a digital MES like Taskus, it can really streamline the creation and distribution of work instructions because digital systems allow for easy updates, making sure that workers always have the most current work instructions. And then digital work instructions can be linked to specific batches, products, or work orders, enhancing the traceability. And this makes it easier to track the compliance and to pinpoint the root cause of any issues that come up. And these systems will also provide real-time feedback and data collection, allowing for immediate adjustments and continuous improvement of your work processes. That brings us on to something that's really important. We should be incorporating feedback and continuous improvement. If you encourage feedback from the operators and technicians who are using the work instructions daily, their insights can help you identify any unclear instructions or any potential areas for improvement. Then you can schedule regular reviews of the work instructions just to make sure that they stay relevant and effective. Make sure that you update the instructions to reflect any change in the processes, any equipment or materials that are being used. And then make sure hand in hand with the work instructions, you've got comprehensive training of how to use the work instructions and any digital tools that may be associated with them. Making sure that you have support available for any questions or issues that come up. To wrap up, creating effective manufacturing work instructions is key to maintaining high standards of quality and efficiency in production. By focusing on clarity, by leveraging digital tools like manufacturing execution systems, and incorporating continuous feedback, manufacturers can make sure that their work instructions are both practical and powerful. Digital solutions not only make it easier to update and distribute instructions, but it can also improve the traceability and compliance. And that can provide a significant advantage in today's competitive manufacturing landscape. Implementing these best practices will help manufacturers optimize their operations, it will reduce errors, and it will keep a safe and productive work environment. So thank you for watching, and I hope these tips will help you to create better work instructions for your manufacturing processes. And if you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.